How's it going? My name is Myra Cagete, your Pinay English teacher here on YouTube, and welcome to a new video. Today, we're going to do a pronunciation exercise. Today, I will be giving you 10 words that you have probably been mispronouncing. So, we're going to practice the pronunciation of those words, and I will be using an online English dictionary. I always use Cambridge Dictionary when I want to practice my pronunciation because in this dictionary, you will be able to hear how words are pronounced in American English and in British English. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, mas gusto yung British English o kaya Australian English, Canadian English. But in this video, I'm going to be focusing on general American English pronunciation. This activity is especially relevant to those who work in the BPO industry, sa mga call center agents, or to those who work in the ESL industry, just like me. ESL means English as a second language. As we speak with our clients or learners on the phone or in a video call, it is undeniably critical that we pronounce words clearly or accurately, at least based on general American English pronunciation. This video can also be useful to you who just want to practice your pronunciation. Hindi mo kailangang maging call center agent, maging ESL trainer, or maging isang English teacher para gustuhin mong i-practice ang iyong pronunciation. Are you ready for the exercise? Let's start. So let's listen to how it is pronounced in American English.
Pronunciation. Pronunciation.
That's pronunciation. British English.
Pronunciation. Pronunciation.
Okay, so it's pronounced as pronunciation. Pronunciation, not pronunciation, not pronunciation, but pronunciation. Number 2. Let's listen to how it is pronounced in American English.
Education. Education.
Education. Education, not edu, katulad ng pagbigkas ng ilan sa atin. Education, it's not edu, but edu. Education. And then you put the stress on K, education. Number 3, in American English.
Parent. Parent.
Okay, it's parent. Parent, not parent, okay? It's parent. You put the stress on the first syllable. Parent. Number 4. Okay, let's listen to how it is pronounced in American English.
Engineer. Engineer. Engineer.
Okay, now in British English.
Engineer. Engineer.
Engineer. But okay, American English ulit.
Engineer. Engineer.
Okay, that is engineer. Engineer, hindi engineer, okay? You might think that it should be engineer kasi English. So, dapat engineer din. But actually, it should sound like engine. Engineer. You put the stress on the last syllable, near. Engineer. Next. American English.
Nervous. Nervous.
Nervous. Nervous. British English.
Nervous. Nervous.
Okay, balik tayo sa American English.
Nervous.
Nervous. Nervous. You put the stress on the first syllable. Nervous. I remember I used to pronounce this word as nervous. Sa Filipino nga naman, nervyos. So, nervyos, nervous. But, of course, it should be pronounced as
Nervous.
nervous. Number 7. In American English, it's pronounced as
Doubt. Doubt.
okay. Now, in British English,
Doubt. Doubt.
okay, balik tayo sa American English.
Doubt.
It's doubt. Walang B sound, okay? You don't say doubt. It should be doubt. It's silent B. Number 8. In American English, this is how it is pronounced.
College. College.
College. Okay, you don't say college, not college, but ij, college. And you put this stress on the first syllable. I sometimes hear people say college. Again, it should be college. Next. In American English, it's pronounced like this.
Determine. Determine.
Determine. Okay, not determine, not determine, but determine. You put the stress on the second syllable. Determine. Okay, now if you're curious about how it is pronounced in British English, let's listen to it.
Determine. Determine.
Okay, American English, mas madali for me.
Determine.
Determine. Determine. D, not D. D. It should be short I. Determine. Determine. Number 10. In American English.
Whole. Whole.
Whole sounds like whole. Itong last word na to, hindi ko to makakalimutan because when I was in elementary, nakipag-away pa ako, nakipag-debate pa ako sa kaklase ko, we were debating about how it should be pronounced.